Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HP09. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue many users face with the Dyson HP09 is that it simply won't connect to Wi-Fi. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a faulty Wi-Fi plate or internal damage. If left unresolved, this problem can hinder your device's functionality, preventing you from accessing its smart features and updates. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to resolve this issue. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement Wi-Fi plate compatible with the Dyson HP09. To begin, make sure your Dyson HP09 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully place the device on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using your plastic opening tool, gently pry open the casing of the Dyson HP09. Start at the base and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the casing together. Once you've removed the outer casing, you should see the internal components clearly. The Wi-Fi plate is typically located towards the top section of the device, connected to the main circuit board. It may be secured with small screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Take note of any cables connected to the Wi-Fi plate, as you will need to disconnect them. Gently pull the connectors straight out to avoid damaging them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the old Wi-Fi plate, take your new one and connect the cables exactly as they were before. Ensure that the connectors are secure. With a new Wi-Fi plate in place, replace the screws you removed earlier, applying just enough force to secure them without over-tightening. Now, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align it carefully and press gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Once the casing is secure, plug your Dyson HP09 back in and turn it on. Check if it now connects to Wi-Fi as expected. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the Wi-Fi plate. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your Dyson HP09 is kept in a clean and dry environment. Regularly check for software updates, as these can improve connectivity and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.